Hello everyone. Today video is about how to read your data as a time series data. So we are performing this task in a Python. I am using Python 3 and Jupyter Notebook as IDE. So primarily we need to import some libraries. Like I import the NumPy as NP, Pandas as PD, Matplotlib for and Cpon for plotting for some other purpose as well. So first we need to run this chunk. So we imported all the libraries. Next, we have to write a code to read the data. For that purpose, I define data as a df and write the pd panda to read the Excel file from the directory where my data is placed and pass state is true. And if I want to see a header look of my data, then you see that there is a date column, there is a column named GB, IE, BTC, oil, gold, silver, copper, gas, and go on. And then this data is a time series data like 2014, 10, 01, 02, 03, 06, 07. What happens if I import this data without declaring this data as a time series? And if I plot, for example, if I plot this data, then you will see that there will be no sign of dates. Like it only shows the data values like 0, 250, 500, 750, 1000 days, 100 and 1250 days, and so on. So now I will try and I write a command to convert this data as a time series data. But that what I did, df.index, like for the indexing, pd dot to date time to convert this data as a date time. Again, the df for our data frame, and then we have the column date to declare as a date column, and the format. Remember one thing, like in my data, I have dash. If you have a dot, then you have to put dot here, like here. But in my case, we are having the dash function. So we place the dash. If you want to convert the intraday data, then you have to put the values of h, m, and s for second, m for minutes, and h for hour. So simply what we did, we create another column which is date index, and we converted the date into as a date column. You can see that. Okay, now if I plot this data, then you see that now it read as a date function. On x-axis we have 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22. So this is how we read our data. We converted our data frame into a date time. Thank you for watching.